Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel, or to my channel. I know a lot of you have read the title and are probably wondering if it was a mistake, but I assure you it was not. Today I'm going to be performing a vasectomy operation on my husband, and for good reason. As you may or may not already know, we had our third child almost a year ago, and we don't plan on having any more. We're not having any more. A vasectomy operation was scheduled at the end of last year, but because the doctor was so good, we couldn't get in until April of this year. Then when Corona hit, it got postponed all the way until Christmas, and now that things are shutting down again for Corona, we are not waiting, because that means that we'll possibly have another child. That means we'll have to get a bigger car, a bigger house, a bigger everything. And so I am performing this vasectomy today. It doesn't seem that hard, really. I was looking at all of these YouTube videos and it seems really easy. And you guys have seen how steady I am with the scissors, so I'm pretty confident that this is gonna work out okay. But even if it wasn't easy, I'm a strong believer that we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. So let's get started. And plus I'm backed by my very supportive husband. Isn't that right, husband?
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm gonna go put my hair up because, you know, we don't want to get any hair in the surgical process. So I'm gonna get all nice and clean and I'll show you guys my utensils. Okay, I'm back with my shower cap because we can't let any hair fall into the unmentionables. While I'm getting ready, my client has already prepped and shaved below the line. We picked up his prescription so that he is now at ease. The doctor gave us a prescription quite a while ago, and we filled it the other day. So now we're all ready to go, and I just have to put the rest of my gear on. And then, for added protection, for me, not for him, just in case anything splats up, you know. I can't see a thing. That would help a bit. Oh, that's the 4K stuff right there. Next, of course, we have our tools. And I don't have a scalpel, but I do have a box cutter. Instead of tweezers, we're going to be using this because it can grip stuff. And then this for a clamp because it can clamp stuff. Let's go to the surgery room, shall we? Oh, of course, I don't have a stretcher either, so the surgery will be performed on our bed. But not to worry, it has a waterproof pad underneath it, so if anything gets bloody, it won't be bloody very soon. And just an FYI, I'm only doing this because now we're considered a non-essential surgery, but it is, because this stomach is not having another child. Are you ready, husband? This should be a smooth operation. Of course, you won't be seeing everything because this is not that type of channel, but we'll see you when the operation's done.
Wait, Kelsey.
No pain, no gain, husband. The surgery wasn't successful, and that's because we didn't do the surgery at all.
I wish we had like all that.
Are you ready to show them your real vasectomy operation? Cut to the day that we actually had the vasectomy operation by a real doctor. Okay, so we are on our way to get Eli's real vasectomy done. By an actual doctor, yeah. But how are you feeling, Alicia?
As I can be.
He's doing his part. Like, I already had 3 kids. It's his turn to feel the burn. 2020.
Nowhere near as bad as what you went through.
We'll see. We will see.
Childbirth is like.
Yeah, Eli, hold the phone. I'm driving.
How long are we?
Oh, that's it.
Oh, that's it.
Hi. Except Liam was saying hi. Okay, so Eli just went in to his appointment and he said that he's starting to feel really numb in his legs just before he left the car. He's walking right now up to the place and he looks pretty normal, but he's pretty good at like suppressing numbness and pain and stuff, so yeah. He's in the building, so. Now it's just me and the kiddos sitting in the car. Yeah? Say hi, guys. Oh, Archie's sleeping. Archie's sleeping.
Wait, say what? Oh, let me get this off. Say what? I forgot my mask, but at least they had some at
I forgot to like tell you.
No, it's fine.
Like I saw someone walking out, I was like, oh, I forgot to remind him about his mask.
What about the drug not doing anything? He was like, this is supposed to calm you. I was like, he didn't say that.
How come you felt
it was just
numb
supposed
and
to
you're
calm
like
me.
down there if it was just supposed to calm you? That's so crazy.
There was no need to even take that thing. It's just supposed to calm you, apparently, for anybody who gets like anxious.
Well, maybe it didn't work then. You seem fine. You do get anxious sometimes, you know. Okay, we're going home in a minute.
But
So-
like I got kicked on the inside.
When he was giving you
The shot.
the
Oh
anesthesia
my.
thing? No, the
The shot. He like right into it.
Okay.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah, but then afterwards you didn't feel anything?
It was really strange because I was like, I don't know what he's doing down there.
Okay.
Oh, the awkward part. The old lady prepped me.
An old lady
The
prepped
older
you.
lady prepped me.
Oh.
She's like, oh, I see you didn't shave. I was like, the guy literally told me to not make it look like a Persian cat, and like shave the whole thing. That's the exact words. He said, don't come in here like some guys looking like a Persian cat down there. It was funny though when the guy was saying, yeah, don't come in here looking like a Persian cat down there. That's exactly what he said to me.
So
That guy's a goofball.
you shaved where you
I
were
shaved
supposed
where he
to,
showed
and then
me.
she said,
Then she
I see you
shaved the
did-
whole thing for me. Yeah, she shaved for me, Kelsey. An old lady shaved for me. All of it. Oh, I see you didn't shave.
Yes, Liam.
Jeez.
You need water?
It's like a sticky soap all over me. Down there, I had to stuff my boxers with paper towels. Because I'm going to have to wash it off now. Like,
You're fluffing. Stuffing your boxers with paper towels to make it look like your bottom speaker.
Kelsey at the front, not the back.
Oh, even worse.
Just drive. I could have literally driven. I could even drive right now.
Oh, you want to drive? No.
No, you're driving for me. I don't get to get chauffeured to that.
You don't get to get chauffeured.
Oh, you got my iPad just cooking in the sun, do you?
You put it up there.
You put it up there.
When?
Kelsey, you put it up there.
Eli,
When we
when did I
started
put
driving-
it?
when we started driving.
My brain is
You're
still
trying
not
to
back.
cook my iPad right now. This thing is hot.
I'm so sorry. I didn't even...
Feel it. Feel the screen.
Oh my gosh. I didn't even remember putting it up there. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
It is okay. Your iPad is just in there. Just like your Persian cat.
No, it doesn't look like that. She just lived like the... He didn't even tell me that. Like, everywhere she shaved, he didn't tell me to shave that area. I think she was OD. I think she was overdoing it. Seriously. Because I know exactly where he injected, and it was not all around where she shaved. Okay, that was like completely overkill.
That's too funny.
The maximum. Oh my word.
Alright. Homeward bound, I guess.
But he said I should be. He said it was like it's really easy with me. He said I should be good though. Like I shouldn't be in like terrible like pain or anything. He said I should recover quickly. Because I was telling him how I'm trying to go back on Monday, like to work. He's like, oh yeah, you'll be fine.
Oh, okay.
So
I'm good.
I don't think I should be lifting heavy stuff still right away.
Yeah.
But he said you should be fine.
Very good.
So we're
I'm very
good.
proud of you, dear.
Well, you think I wouldn't follow through with it?
You know.
Think I'd run into the car?
Remember the guy from Gilmore Girls?
Did that happen to me? What happened?
Suki's husband? He was supposed to get that done, and then she got pregnant again because he said that he did it, but he actually
Oh
didn't.
no!
And
It's
she's like,
not
"I'm
okay.
gonna kill him."
It's not even. It's like the initial. It's not even bad. It's like the initial because you don't know what's coming. After you already know what's coming, it's not even the most excruciating pain. It's just that initial like incision
Goody.
that just catches you by surprise. Trust me, there is a way more. There is a lot of things that hurt more than that.
I think we got to start driving. This guy does not want us to.
Sit still.
Yep.
Anybody didn't finish their sandwich? Ooh.
All right, we're gonna go now. See you soon.